Hey girl, thank you so much for booking an online party with me. I'm so excited to party online with you, and I'm excited for you to win a ton of free stuff. And we're gonna have an awesome party with your friends. My job is to set the party up for you. I'm going to set up a Facebook event and make it invite only, and you're going to invite friends by sending each one a personal message. I will send you a script of what to say, and all you have to do is copy and paste it, change the name in each message depending on who you're sending it to, and send. So I have a few tips on what to do when you're sending your invites. We're going to do a maximum of 50 people because we want your people and your guests to feel like they're special. And nobody wants to click yes, RSVP yes, to a party where someone invited like 300 plus people. And that's just not fun. That's not personal. They just did it to so you would fill a spot or something. They think that it's like the more invites, the more people will attend, and that's not the case. So we want your people to feel very special. So go ahead and right now, after this video, make your list of 50 people that you want to invite. And my tip for you is choose the top 10 that you think will RSVP yes. Invite those people first, and then once those people start to RSVP yes, no, maybe, invite another 10 people until you reach the end of your list. So when people RSVP no, delete them from the invites and invite someone else in their place. It's good that they're being honest with you and gives you a chance to invite someone else in their place so that maybe your party could have more sales. Please, no group messages. Everybody hates those. They go right in the trash as soon as you send them, and they're really annoying once people start to respond to them. So do not group message. And people are a lot more likely to ignore your messages if you do that. So make your calls, send your texts, do your Facebook invites, but no group messages. And you're going to include the link with the event in with it when you do your Facebook messages. And how you do that is that when I create the event, you go there after this video, you click invite your friends, invite like those 10 people that I said, and then what you're going to do is hit message friend or message guests, and then you paste the script that I sent you and make sure you change the name to suit the person, and make sure you uncheck the box that says group message or like mass message or whatever it says. Make sure it's unchecked. We do not want to send group messages. This is key. Okay, so how the party is going to go, you are going to just be involved with the posts that I do, and so I'll post a few times leading up to the event, and just to get people excited and such. All you have to do is like and comment on the post that I do, tag your friends, and that's about it. Do you want to earn an extra little gift from me? If so, here's how you can earn it. You can invite 20 of your friends, and once they RSVP yes, or maybe going, you will get this. Thank you again for booking a party with me. I am so incredibly excited for you to win all of your free jam goodies. Let's get to those invites.